Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again, and today I am going to solve the new question which is mostly asked in the interviews now, that is the perfect number in JavaScript. So the question is given: define a perfect number and provide two examples. Then in the context of JavaScript, discuss how the provided code determine whether a given number is perfect or not. Finally, if the input 10 is passed to the perfect number function, what would be the output? So a perfect number is a positive integer basically that is equal to the sum of its proper divisor excluding itself. In other words, when you add up all the positive divisor of a perfect number except the number itself, the sum equal the numbers. The number 6 is a perfect number because its proper divisor excluding 6 itself are 1, 2, 3, and if you sum these you will get 6. So what is perfect number? I will explain you with the help of example. Suppose the number is 6. If we divide this number, so the divisor so the divisor when we add all the divisor, suppose we will divide with 2, we will divide with 3, so all the positive divisor when we add up, so it will be equal to the 6. So basically, when when you add up all the positive divisor of a perfect number except the number itself, that sum equal the number, so that is equal to the number, that is the sum of the divisor, so that is the perfect number. So the sum of divisor equal to that number, so that is the perfect number. So now we have to write the code. Okay, so I just create one function that is named as perfect number. Okay, and I just pass one parameter, that is a parameter. Okay, I just pass one parameter here and I just define let sum is equal to 0 for let I equal to 0, I less than num. Okay, I equal to 1 and I less than num I plus plus. Now what I do, I just define one condition, that is if num modulus I equal to 0, so sum plus equal to I. So I just define this condition, and what I do then, I do if sum is equal to that is the strict equal to num, then console dot log, that is going to be a perfect number. Okay, or just we go with else part, and in this I use console dot log, and that is going to be not a perfect number. So that is a simple code of the perfect number, and now what we have to do, we have to pass here the argument, that is 6, and we have to again pass 10, and we have to check for the 10 too. So first I will go with 6 because 6 is an perfect number, so you see in the console that is a perfect number. Now we will go with 10, so that is not a perfect number. We can also take 28, this is also an perfect number. So our code is totally correct. So now I will explain you how the code is work. So firstly we are take one parameter, that is num, and now we initialize the value of the sum, that is equal to be 0, and we take one loop that is going to be run till num, okay, that is the less than num. Okay, and I value is going to be increases. Okay, so now I just use the whiteboard to explain this. So we have one loop that is going to be run till num, that is less than num. Okay, basically that is less than num, and here what I do, what I take, if n modulus I that is equal to 0. Okay, and here I just take sum plus equal to I. Okay, so basically sum plus equal to I is also the same, or we can take sum is equal to sum plus I, that is also the same thing. So now the what, how the code is work, let I, okay, let I to num, okay, that is I is less than num. So I value is 1 basically, and we define the value of the sum, that is 0, that is equal to 0. Okay, so like sum is equal to 0, and 0 plus 1, that is going to give us the value of sum. Okay, so the sum is 0, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, because I value is 1 for the first iteration, I value is 1, and 1 is going to be add with sum, because we the one condition is if n modulus I, so 10 modulus 1 we will definitely give you the remainder, that is 0. Okay, so the condition is basically the satisfy. Now the next thing is we will take 10, 10 is also give you the 0, so the current value of the sum is 1, and now for the next iteration, that is I, here the I is basically here the 1. Okay, now the I value is going to be increment by 2. Okay, now I is 2, and the condition is satisfied here. Now sum we get for the 1 is 1, the value is stored to be 1, and now it is going to be 1 plus 2, that is 3. Okay, so now the new value is 3 basically. Now new value we will get 3. Again the loop is going to be incremented by 1, and the value is going to be changed to 3. So if we take 3 modulus 10, 10 modulus 3, so it is giving some reminder. Again we take 4, it is giving some reminder. Again we take 5, now it is equal to 0. Again the value, the sum value is 3, now 3 is add up with 5, and 5 is going to be 8 here. Okay, now the value is 8, and when we sum all, again we will go to with 6 to 10, not getting a reminder, 0, 7, not getting a reminder, 0, 8, for 8 no reminder, 0, for 9 the loop is stopped. And we find for the 10, if the value of num, that is 10, so we get what, we get the output we get, that is not a perfect number, you can see here. So what I do, if sum is strictly equal to the num, that I will compare the two values, and now we have to print in the console.log, that is not a perfect number. If I take the value 10, so it will give you the not a perfect number. Now we will take the value of the 6. If I take the value of the 6, so what will happen? So I just told you all the thing, I told you all the how the code is work, I told you. So now if for the 6 if I take, so you can divide 6 with, basically the divisor of 6 is 1, 2 and 3, and if you take the sum of these, you will get that is equal to the 6. So I will explain you what is the perfect number. So now you get in the console.log that is a perfect number. So if I run the code for the 6, you will get the perfect number. So this is the basic question, and I hope you like my channel. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos. It will help me, it will motivate me to upload more videos on these type of question, and give the feedback on the comment how much you like my video, and keep sharing. And we will I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.